I'm on a trolley. I'm on a trolley.
Roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the.
What's up, y'all? It's time to get into another lit vlog. I'm on my way to a very secret location. I gotta go pick up this package. But I'm at the gas station right now, and I just feel like I never like real life experience like no racism or anything like that. But like this morning, I feel like somebody's being racist to me. Like I was over there like, "Oh, good morning. How you doing, sir?" I put the shit on the counter or whatever, and dude was just like cold ignoring me. I'm like, shit, it is. So like this white lady walk in, I don't know if that's his boss or something, but she walk in and say good morning 4 seconds after me. This nigga, hey, good morning. I'm like, oh, I thought you was just grouchy, but I see you just a racist ass old man that was in the Navy. I'm just like, damn, that's how we treating people this morning? That's how we treating people this morning? But y'all, I ain't gonna let that stop my day. Like I said, I'm off to a very, very, very secret location right now. Going to pick up a package. Not that kind of package. I'm doing something really, really nice. It's gonna probably be in the next vlog. But yeah, I'm about to get on the road. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get on the road, so let's get it. Let's get into this vlog. Let's get into some transitions. Let's go. I'm try my best to do these transitions. You know, my boy Holla at Crazy man helping me with my transitions. So let's get into these transitions. Yeah, baby, yeah.
God!
What's up, y'all? I done made it to my destination. Still don't know where I'm at. Trying to find some food, but everybody just wants me to starve. How you feel about that? Alright. If you didn't know already, I'm in Savannah, Georgia, and I want to eat some shrimp. And I want to eat some shrimp. Hey guys, I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. Like y'all already seen I've been up since 6. Now I'm starving still, and it's 12, so you know, just dying out here. I'm just dying. It looks nice out here though.
What? Or is that when?
What's up, y'all? I done stopped in Buford's. This place called Buford's. I don't know what's up for today, but I'm about to go into a lot of slow-mos, probably like going into music and stuff. This food was trash. That's what I'm talking to y'all right now. I was eating, and this food was so trash. Savannah food, strike one. Thumbs down. It's trash. Alright, after eating that terrible ass food, that looks nice. This 3 weeks in a row. I did something with art. That's 3 weeks in a row. I'm
Was the most, I guess, popular medium going right now.
He said gallery $10.99.
$10.99. My name
cool.
is Sherry.
I'm out playing again. You said what? Yeah, I just don't understand that. Why wouldn't you want people to see your artwork? My head looks so big. Alright, so now I'm in. It's just raining. That's all. And he's out here on a chariot. Yeah. Oh, wow. I didn't even see that. That's so pretty.
Poppy 3, Poppy 1, and Poppy 2.
Hey, y'all. Umbrellas. Alright, let me answer this down phone. Hello? Yeah. Alright. What'd you say? I just bought me a new race. I like those actually. They do look fancy. Almost as fancy as me. I did not know Paula Deen had a restaurant down here. I really didn't know that. So does Paula Deen really have a restaurant down here?
He doesn't believe
She
it.
does.
Oh, I didn't believe
Right
it.
down the road. Down
Oh, it's down the road?
It's down here.
Have you been?
This is not.
This is my work
Yeah, but that's not a.
in this gallery.
In this gallery?
Yeah.
So
It's my
her,
work. Huh?
her restaurant is not part of the old Pink House. Is it?
No.
Oh, it's something-
No. The Pink House is a different restaurant.
Okay.
A good
Ah.
one, really good. Better than Paula Deen's.
Better than Paula Deen's.
Yeah.
I told you that.
Pouring again.
Yeah, that cooking for TV is something different.
Yeah.
You said what? Where? Oh my.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the tour.
Alright, so we just got off the trolley. What'd you say? Oh. I be like cousin. What? Alright, we about to get on the ferry, right? Alright, we out of here. You need a lid for your drink, right?
Yeah, they're looking at this car.
You about to kill it? We out. This is a lovely dance, Savannah. I should be alright. Alright, I'm about to get on this ferry. I gotta swim across the river. You said what?
Once you do something that the river was 8 feet. How does he know? It sounds believable.
It sound believable?
That's like a pirate ship right there.
Arr, head ass. Arr. Look at this couple.
Right there, across the way. Needs to be really realistic.
You just gotta get it now.
What did you do?
Get on the dirty. We about to get on the ferry. Ferry, I bet. Head ass. No? I'm in Savannah and I'm doing Savannah stuff. Huh? We're Vic's. Vic's is known as the #1 restaurant in Savannah, Georgia, guys. We're gonna be there soon. Better than that shit I ate earlier. Shit, bitch, fuck, bitch. Oh, let me stop cussing. This a family channel. I be forgetting. Be forgetting it's a family channel. I gotta beep all that out. That's too much editing. I'm probably not gonna beep it out. So tell y'all mamas that I cussed. This shit. What it is? What's up? Can a nigga get in them goddamn guts? Is that too much? I think that's too much. It's definitely in them guts. What it is? What's up? What?
I tripped.
I hope I ain't get it on the camera. What it is? What's up? Can a nigga get in? Yo, I'm about to fall. Ah, shit, there we go. I don't know where we're going. We're waiting on the ferry. We'll give you guys a little tour because I know everything. Yeah. What? Yeah. That's my Kevin Hart impression. Yeah. Kevin Hart. Me. Oh, snap that light. I'm reaching for your soul. What'd you say? Motherfucker, I'm a pimp. What's up, y'all? I still haven't made it on the trolley. Y'all know how impatient I am. But eventually it might come, I guess. At 3:30 is what it says. But, yeah, I'm just gonna be patient. Y'all know how I am with that. But the Georgia Queen is here, and it looks like, you know, a Carnival cruise ship. But it's not a Carnival cruise ship. It's like a trolley on the water. And I see 2 lesbian ladies with the same jersey as me on. I want to change it. Yeah, and I'm going to change it. I'm kind of mad. What'd you say?
What's the name? 7?
Yep. Alright, y'all, this is the boat we're getting on. Finally, it's finally here. Finally, you know. And look at the damn line now. We was just over here waiting for a million minutes. Now, I'm not happy. Here's the Pearly. Rain. All right.
Is this what? There's a song about this, right?
Mhm.
What song is it?
Wave
Yeah.
for the.
Oh, it's a Spanish song. I'm sorry.
I believe it though.
Yeah, it's by Mana. I'm serious. I'm not kidding. There's a song like that.
Feliz la vida.
Maybe
Uh,
just wait for her.
Feliz la vida.
Thanks.
No problem. Have a good day. What?
They were talking to you.
They was. They definitely was talking to me. They were like, oh my God. Ah. I know you. Ah. Huh? What? Excuse me, random local.
Oh, you talking to me?
Hey guys, I have to be here. He ain't have to do that. He seen me vlogging. He ain't have to do that. He seen me vlogging. He ain't have to do that. Yeah, he just gotta make himself known. It is, man. It's raining real hard. Oh, Caroline, oh man. All right, tour bus. That's the waving girl, guys. We almost didn't make it back on the trolley. Jesus Christ. Whew. Whew. I'm on a trolley.
City with a population of 50,000. That's a pretty huge place. And that's why the song Savannah would have eventually populated on the size of what.
I'm on a trolley. I'm on a trolley. Yeah, it's raining crazy down here. Oh, it's raining like crazy. I'm probably gonna be hopping on the road in a second. It's raining too long. About to end this vlog here. You know you can follow your boy Mike _Shaw5 everywhere. That's Instagram. That's Snapchat. That's Twitter. That's Instagram. That's Snapchat. That's Twitter. Okay, you can follow me. Mike _Shaw5. Oh yeah. Oh nah, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the button right here in the low, right here, somewhere right there, and hit that button to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? And other than that, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm about to leave Savannah. I'm out.